Money runs with Aaron B
and Becca Blaze.
And as we know earlier, we get the evicted housemate of the Big Brother Titan. They said they all land from South Africa yesterday. And some, I think this will be record breaking because since we started this interview, we never get South Africa person they follow them come. You get, but they say this time, this our sister say he must come Nigeria because they don't hear things about Nigeria man. Say the one when see inside the Big Brother house. I never finished. They want to experience and I follow the entire the country. So Yaya, right?
Yeah.
Yaya there with us. Then we get the #1 representation of Yoruba Demon. Or just to make them more polite on air, Yoruba Angel.
Yes.
But we know the true meaning. The one and only Yemi Yaya. How you doing?
Brother, I did.
How you feel now when you don't come outside when you see how they take describe you inside the house?
Oh my brother, it is what it is, man.
Now so you be for real life. I've been an art inside the Big Brother house.
What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
That thing you not feel pretend for that thing. Blessing that's what you be for real life.
Yeah, I mean what you see is what you get, man. See what you get.
Wow.
What you see is what you get. And we not go lie at all. Yemi, you gave us back to back for the first 3 weeks we everything I did for the house. Now you they trend. If you go Twitter, Yemi Craigs.
For daytime, this one. For night, this one. Even for night, if you go find time, I go greet to the other one first. Come back, you can't stay with that. Now so this boy be for real life. Smooth operational.
Operator.
Yeah. But seriously, you go toss say that one a part of your strategy, or you just play the way the game be.
Like honestly, I don't go talk saying like strategy per se. You know, like I got into the house. There was no intention of like dating anyone. But,
okay.
Like, it just happened like that, Sha. So I just went with the flow, basically. With the flow.
So when the eviction actually happened, a lot of us actually they very, very shocked. Me too. I said what?
A whole person want to give us show.
When did it happen? So some of us when they think say okay, maybe because the eviction period now during the election period. So a lot of people they concentrate on the election period. But some of us they think say probably not because of the fact say Ebuka shatter the table. So you feel say assuming say Ebuka no come inside the picture to shatter the table. You go still there till the last day. I
mean, honestly, man, I don't know because you cannot really satisfy people. They could call me. They go say this one a playboy. If you can't change to lover boy, say this one don't they act like nah. So like, bro, at the end of the day, man, I just did what I had to do, man. And if it was my time to leave, then
so you feel say Ebuka not playing your play a role in your vision.
I'm not sure. I think Ebuka just did what he would do with every other
based on what they do normally.
He shake all that tables now.
So you know if you say that table when shake affect your game.
I mean, like to an extent because I had to shift. He had to do it for me to realize that.
See what they do.
Or maybe like say this thing no really gel, yeah. So make I just try, deal with one person where I really.
Out of the whole entanglement, really, why you not quit make a choice? Because now you just in after Ebuka make you realize okay, might deal with one person. Why you not just what be the attraction between what be her name?
Baba,
Kosi.
Baba, no worry, I don't know. No worry, I don't know. I don't know.
But you were just in between.
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
I just like to give love, to show love.
Oh.
I don't know.
A true African man.
A true African man.
Wow.
They show love.
Representation. And just say society never accept you for who you be, really. Okay.
I don't
Maybe
know.
come to Yaya. Hi
guys. Thank you for having me.
Hey, you're welcome. Your voice don't they go. You understand pidgin at all?
A little.
Okay.
They try.
I try to pick up here and there.
Okay. So waiting you go talk saying at your highlight for inside the Big Brother house.
My highlight, oh man.
Memories, Abby. Memory don't play back.
My highlight was the night Big Brother paid us.
Okay.
Yes, that was my highlight.
You sure? Your highlight is there for your right side, your left hand side.
So you might be not be your highlight.
And my birthday, definitely my birthday, and when we got paid.
Okay.
So Maybe no join.
No, he not talking. Say hand.
Okay. Because me they shock. They don't intervene. Maybe finish. See carry camera for the fall. I come like. What's happening?
So maybe come to the culture shock now, because saying our culture they a little bit different from our own, right? So for you now as a South African, we live with Nigerians for like almost 7 weeks.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So waiting be those things that you say you don't learn about our Nigerian culture.
I think the one thing that really was a culture shock to me was how you guys put all sorts of meat in one soup. I'm like, why? How do you mix chicken and fish and goat and what? There's so much waste. No, guys, don't do that.
Hold on. So one of the cook now, only one particular meat on the cook.
Yes, if you're cooking chicken, just eat chicken.
So we are not going to see the fat one at the gather for.
Hey,
Okay, not be that one responsible for her. Okay, that's the South Africa thing.
Hey, since daddy, so forgive him. It's all come out.
So hold on. So it based on like you never experienced that kind of thing before, like difference.
We don't do that in South Africa. Like my mom would kill me and say I'm wasting food.
Oh wow!
I would get the biggest hiding of my life if I tried that. I'm like, I can't believe this. They're putting fish and chicken in one pot. I was like, wait, guys. I was like, South Africans, wait, guys, come see this. I was like, wait, guys, someone explain. Yeah, someone explain. But I think in overall it was just a really fun and exciting experience. I thoroughly enjoyed myself in the house.
Inside the house.
Yeah.
And they also classify you, as the mommy of the house. Yes. So how you feel, coming out of the house, we can't find out. So they say, yeah, now the mommy of the house.
I actually, I was expecting it because I knew when I was auditioning and when, I got my letters of approval and my emails from Big Brother that I was probably going to be the eldest woman in the house. So I was expecting, and I was right. I really was the eldest woman in the house. So I was kind of expecting it. And like also with the housemates, they'd always come to me when they want to know certain things, if they're not sure how to treat this, how to do this. So like it really isn't something that like is unfamiliar to me because I'm a nurturer by nature, so I just kind of embraced the title and I just settled in.
Marvin is lucky.
Mahala be like bicycle.
So back to Yemi right now. You get some kind of like bromance with K Junior. How you go describe that relationship? What you really click on together?
Yo, so man, like because I really be the kind of person where I kind of reserved and everything. So like it really takes me a lot to like open up and everything.
To someone.
When I get to the point where I'm comfortable with like opening up and everything, then I know say you be my guy. So like KJ and I have had like few conversations and I could see that I could see that the guy did
reason with you.
Yeah, and he did reason well. So like I'm just like, nah, this is definitely the kind of guy that I want to mess with in the house. You know?
Okay.
So it was so not just based on the energy and the vibe and based on the conversations where me and him don't get. I can tell that, like this guy is a real guy. We have a lot of things in common. Fashion, we the reason fashion well, we the reason. So like I just person where I just, I feel for the house. Hence why, we were close.
Okay. So maybe move to the person where they're too close with. And they talk about miracle, they tire Jesus.
What really happened? Why?
Why waiting?
So apart from cursing now, why the relationship waiting?
Well, I don't know why. You see, apart from
make you use your mouth. Talk of yourself.
So like nothing much there on top of that matter because like me and Bino get issue with Miracle initially, but now just based on the old vibe and everything, and like I know one thing with me I don't like now make person they disrespect me. So when I felt disrespected, I had to address it.
At what point if you say Miracle disrespect you? When touch you?
This man. I went touch me. So like obviously you get one time where we say some kind of things happen where income meets me. It didn't come to me but it came to her. So like I just felt like it was disrespectful. So I addressed it.
Okay.
We went off. Then the second day, just they poke me. Then I had to like to the point where I was angry and everything. So after that, I thought that we're gonna be, like
cool together,
cool and everything. But
the energy not there.
Energy no day there. I still they hear the things where this guy they talk for my back. You understand? I still they see the vibe where the guy they give me. I'm like, nah. if you work, even after we don't try settle and everything, like I wasn't just, the energy was just off. Like I know sabi force things.
Okay.
I know go day rude, I go smile, but you go no say, oh my
I know they feel you.
I know they feel you as much.
Okay, no, they be like say you really, apart from the KJ, when you get it, when you feel like you did more free with ladies more. Now see now why
JSF na my guy.
You don't mention that guys, but if you want count women when you run to the past the number of guys when we say a day. Now some people tag you as playboy, you get, but in all of this really, out of the people when you get entanglement with, you go say you be really get true feeling for when you believe say maybe outside of the house a possibility of continuation go there. I be you go see they do the African man lifestyle arrangement.
Oh my god, these questions.
Yeah,
I don't
sincerity,
know, man. See,
because towards before your vision, you can't be like say you be lover boy one kind.
So the thing about them is say I feel be anything where I want be. Like at the end of the day, like I don't think any man is an island and everything. I feel be anything where I choose to be, right? And at some point when you just feel like you like someone, you just want to like give it a try and everything. So that was my thing. So right now I would rather not speak on who I like more or who I
until they come out and you make your choice.
I'm not going to just speak on now. Now I want to talk with that.
But before you enter the house, you be get steady relationship, or you be just there everywhere too. No.
The reason why they ask because Sandra, when Sandra become,
I don't get steady relationship.
Sandra be talk say say now know each other well, so you be guy and
guy.
We
know we definitely know each other. But yeah, we know each other. We get understanding.
Okay.
Outside the house.
Okay.
We know each other. Like I sabi Sandra. I sabi Sandra well, but no be relationship. Not just understand.
Okay, now just vibes on vibes.
We're just close friends, and we they shoot content, we they hang out, like. It wasn't a normal friendship.
Okay. There was something when they always bring us together.
There was something attached to it. It wasn't like she's not like just my. There was a bit of, I won't call it feelings, but there was a bit of likeness. It was more than.
But I not explore that likeness at any point before you enter the house.
What do you mean by explore likeness?
But for you to laugh, you know what you ask.
It's mad. I don't know what you ask, man. I don't tell you.
So right now you do open to any possible relationship. Now they try talk.
I just want day. Now me I want focus on for now. No, they are just
don't put Yemi for.
No, they are just on this level.
All right, yeah. Let me come back to you right now because we need to end this interview very soon. So for you now, who be your least housemate? Your least. List housemate. I want
favorite.
Your favorite housemate and the one where we say you interact with least. Yeah.
Who's currently in the house?
Yes.
Currently in the house. It's very difficult because after I left the house, I have saw videos and what people were saying about me, and I was like, damn, B, I thought we were cool. So obviously my favorite is Justin. Okay. My baby Justin. And my least currently, and people mustn't come for me, but I'm really not feeling Ipaleng.
Hey.
Oh, yeah,
I'm not feeling her. I'm really not. No,
why you feel she's not the original?
And that's only because of the ugly things she was saying about me behind my back, and I was I was so shocked because I thought we were cool. So that's why I was like, okay, B, I see you.
So relationship wise right now, inside the house, who if you say if you click more than the one outside the house?
Definitely Justin because we're from the same hometown.
Okay.
Yes, so we're both from East London in the Eastern Cape in South Africa. Yeah, so definitely him.
Okay.
So when you don't come out from the house now, plenty things go to come up, things where people don't say about you. Which one of them shock you past? Not the housemates now, where people outside, like the listeners, don't talk about
I'm a bully.
Bully?
Yes.
Inside the house?
Yes, that really shocked me. And I was like, how did you guys get bully out of everything I was doing? And I was like, how was that the one thing you guys took from me? So that really shocked me, especially because I am absolutely against anything that has to do with bullying. You know, I was bullied growing up. I don't subscribe to bullying. I don't condone it. You know, I understand that I've got a strong personality, and maybe that sometimes can be misunderstood or misinterpreted as, you know, bullying. However, I am a firm and strong believer of communicating what I feel. So if I feel something, whether I like it or not, I'll say it out. Exactly. Do you understand? So I was like very shocked when people were calling me a bully. I was like, oh my goodness.
Bully. All right, so maybe come to you and this lovely man right
Which
now.
one, ma'am?
The lovely man on blue.
A lot of men wearing blue in this room.
He's only one of blue. You already know. You know who we are talking about. You know who we are talking about. So what is next now between you and Maven?
Marvin and I are really good friends.
Just friends?
You are very good friends.
Just friends?
Now they look where the friend go next. The friendship will move to next.
Just friends?
We are friends.
Marvin, they talk this one to your face. They friends on you right now.
So nothing attached for the Navi.
I plead the fifth.
Abi, why you keep on low first? Maybe
I plead the fifth.
you know what talk. Don't talk to Mega the Stallion. So maybe we'll be shocked to find out anything later. But for now, you know, just want to talk. You know, want review, right?
Marvin and I are very good friends.
Okay.
Very good friends. Now, so David don't start.
Maybe come back to Yemi. Yemi, so many tasks and I do them for inside the house. So how much be your total win? You know?
That one I don't know. The only one win where I suppose win, they cancelled it. So
wow.
And that happened on Saturday because apparently we didn't play by the rules and everything. So it was cancelled.
So you're not sure whether you win any money right now?
Nah, not they sure.
Wow. What about you, Yaya? You any win?
Oh, we definitely won. We won our first Flutter Wave challenge as Team Maya.
Okay.
We just don't know what we won though.
No calculator for you very soon. Okay, so right now, whether you like it or not, the Big Brother stage, now heavy stage, they carry you from almost 0 to
100
or even 1,000 right now. Now that you're out, I believe you don't see the whole arrangement. So what did they next? May I start with Yaya? What did they next for you?
Alright, so I'm in South Africa, I'm a model.
Yeah.
So my plan is obviously to, branch out into Africa with my modeling. And I'm also a TV presenter as well. So that's definitely something that I want to pursue. And my acting career. And I also want to go into the beauty industry. Yes, I want to have my own makeup line. So that's definitely something that I'd like to explore. And, maybe venture into YouTube.
Content creating.
You know what I mean? Content.
Then, Yemi, what next?
Yo, man, a lot actually. A lot is in the pipeline as we speak. But obviously, before the house, I was a lifestyle and fashion influencer. But that's going to be on a much larger scale now. Because obviously, I intend to do a lot of traveling and all that. Aside that, I am currently working on a production as well and starting up my own production team because I'm into advertising as well. So I just want to start up a team that can deliver for clients that want to do you want to do production, you want to do advertising, or you need a team that can deliver on marketing ideas and everything. Definitely.
Now you go be the right guy
to
go.
Be the go-to and everything. Obviously, acting, hosting, doing a lot of entertainment, related
everything
stuff.
Still there around it.
Exactly. Then there's some other things I can't really discuss now. But once it's
it's
we're
ready.
still
Don't cook up.
Exactly.
Let us know.
I will definitely let you
know. You be friend with Pankman.
I'll be friends with
Peng.
Now why this? You did.
No, I don't see both of you together before.
You don't see both of us together.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Yes. Anyway, because of time limit, we appreciate Una branch for Naija FM 102.7. We wish you guys success on top of your new level. I know so now make good use of them because Big Brother now heavy. What I like it now heavy. Yeah. We hope to hear more success story from you guys. I might ask you because you be suspect. Who use the highest number of condom?
I don't know, man. Because I know you don't, so I don't know.
On top of those, you're parabolating.
Which parabolating? Now waka now. You see that?
Wow.
I don't parabolating.
I would have done this. I would have done that.
Yeah.
I noticed it did not go well. I do this. You don't use protection.
I know, Baba. No. Which one we say you know it's protection?
Wow.
Nothing happened. So why I won't use protection? Nothing happened now.
You're a bad man.
Nothing happened. I tell you, nothing happened.
So who used the highest? Who you suspect? Who you
for
suspect used the highest?
See,
Quick one.
coming out of the house, I just see. I don't even know. I just see the people where some people
What you don't suspect
I don't know. Like what they see. I don't even at this point. I can't talk for anybody. I just want make everybody enjoy because I don't know, man.
So yeah, whatever. You I just say be truthful person.
I'm worse than Yemi because I was always in the kitchen cooking.
I don't know.
So you not really.
Don't know.
But outside the house, now you can't see video. You suspect say you will get the highest number.
No.
You guys are playing safe. You are playing safe. I don't like this. Business no, give us tips.
No, because like all the ships have left, but I see there's a new ship forming between Miracle and Ipalang, so we don't know. Yeah, we don't know, but I don't think Luke is gonna be happy about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're not secret talk. We'll leave it for the next person when they come. That's our question.
Your next victim.
Yeah.
If you leave out for your next victim, me I look that I don't jump on yeah.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7 We Radio.